Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off display larger alt text badges on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find accessibility settings. So here you will find display larger alt text badges. So just click on it like this if you want to turn it on, or if you want to turn it off, just like this. So that's it. That's how to turn off and on display larger alt text badges on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.